Thursday, guys, Thursday. This is Simeon from Trinidad and Tobago. All right, so today is Thursday, and we want to keep it super simple today. We take 2 losses, we stop trading. We take 3 wins, and we also stop trading. All right, and we just follow the rules, and everything will be okay. So, firstly, what I do, I want to check out the news, see what's happening globally. Fundamentals very important when trading. All right, so we could see some major news took place 8:30 AM EST today. We have a red folder as well whole day today, so we have to be extra careful when we are trading. We want to get as much confirmations on our ideas and execute that particular trade. All right, so I'm going to see which pairs is paying out the best right now. All right, so let me take a quick scan through, see what's up here. We have USD CHF paying off 75. That'll be one pair we're looking at. We have, what else again? Yeah, let's check Euro JPY 74. So we want to look at that. And that is 2. We want to look at GBP USD. That's 3. And what else? What else? Oh, Euro GBP. All right. So that's our 4 pairs we will be looking at. All right, so I'm seeing an opportunity presenting itself by GBP USD. Remember, today is news, so we had to be extra careful when trading today. The markets could easily turn because of that red folder. All right, so GBP USD, I'm looking at that pair today. All right. Remember the rules, it's very simple. I want to see a candle close. All right, above 151. And I could go in there for a buy. All right, I need to see a candle close above that area. If it comes down to, let me see this area here. Remember, guys, red folder, not playing too greedy today. All right, if you see how it comes down to 110, 110, I'll buy it there. If it closes above 152, I will buy it there as well. All right, so right now we just wait. Candles are closing in 3 minutes and 56 seconds. All right, so basically I push to the upside. We need to see a close above. Let's see if it's retested. All right, so I'm seeing it's going up there. So we have 3 levels now. We have 125. If it retests there, I could look to take a buy on that area. If it closes above 152, I will take a buy there. All right, so it's at 163 right now. If it comes back to 137 or 141, I'll take a buy there as well. Hopefully the market didn't leave us as yet. All right, it's pushing up. I need to see a close above 152. So right here. Once the candle closes here, definitely will take that buy. All right, so we're getting some good push-ups to the upside. The USD is pretty strong today, so this is just one idea we will take based on market structure. And we have about 1, 2, 3 confirmations with this idea here. All right. If it breaks that structure there, we still wait for that candle to close. Let me just draw a trend line here to validate this trade even more because of that red folder. Right. Once it closes above that trend, definitely will take that idea too. So now we're waiting on our retest at the 152 area. That is where we will take it. Candles are closing in 1 minute 29 seconds. Again, we are not over trading today because of the red folder. All right. Remember, guys, if you want to learn the skill, you definitely look to join our WhatsApp group. We have an retest taking place here. Once it reaches the 152, I'm going to take that or below. That could be the confirmation we are looking for. All right, 156 right now. Candle is closing in 51 seconds. All right, so it came down to 156, 44. Right. Should I take that entry at 157? Okay, so if it comes back to 156, I will take it 25, 163. All right, so I'll take one entry at 166. Remember, we need to see a candle close above 152 for proper confirmation. All right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. That's the confirmation we was waiting for. Candle just closed, new candle open. All right, so we are looking for a push to the upside based on market structure. So let's see what's happening here. All right. Want to be extra careful today. All right, so we have 3 packages available. If you want to live trade with me on the sessions, join the WhatsApp group and you can reach out to me there. Also, if you want to learn the 10-day with a 10-day crash course that we have available, you definitely join the group. Reach out to me. We have a copy and paste signals for MT4. They could reach out to me on the WhatsApp and ask about that as well. So it's 3 different packages we're working on right now, right? So this is the push and the 3 confirmations we had here on the trade. We do have a trending market downwards, so it could push to the downside. I'll do one rule. Number, I do not want to over trade because today is the red folder. I will do one rule. Let me just see. All right, I'll do one rule, guys, because it could have a trend, a wick rejection of that area too, and it could go down. All right, so I just did one rule, and that's it. I'm going to look for next setup. I'm leaving that setup there. All right, it could basically retest there. So let's wait and see. Right, guys, sorry about that there. So it is rejecting that trend. We have a downtrend going on right now. I'm not going to do anything with that trade. Just leave it. If it clears, it clears. If we lost, that's one loss. Remember, we are taking two loss and we are out. We are not trading anymore. All right. For this session, that is. All right. So let me just do a quick analysis. We have a lot of candles closing here. Euro GBP does not have anything right now. Euro JPY left already. USD CHF, we have an uptrending market. All right, so let me just draw some trends here. Let's see if we clear that trade there. And there's four pairs we are looking at today. That is USD CHF and GBP USD, Euro JPY, and Euro GBP. So let's see if we get that spike up there. If it clears, it clears. If not, it would be a loss. And it cleared. So that is one win we had here. We have here, sorry. All right, we cleared that literally by a second. Definitely don't want to get into any trades with that GBP USD right now. It's pushing up just as expected. Way up, right? So it broke the trend there. That was a really nice setup there. And look at that push, guys, to the upside. So if you want to go through my 10-day crash course, reach out to me. I will be training persons how to trade in the financial markets. It will be major points I'll be touching during the course. And you're looking at a 10-day period. You know, it might be like 2 days to the week. We are looking like an hour to hour and a half on a session. All right, I do have a syllabus and portfolio set out to teach people properly. We're not talking about you having to pay any monthly subscription. It's a one-time fee. My goal is to create some independent traders and have a community where everyone could interact. All right, so that's what we aim to do. Again, we know how costly it is to be in academies when it comes to learning Forex. That is why we have that option available. All right, so as you can see, the GBP USD was a perfect setup there based on our confirmations. We got a broken trend and a straight push to the upside. You see, guys, market structure is everything, right? Market structure is everything. Let me see, right? Okay, perfect. All right, so let me just come on to that there. Check to see if we see any opportunities. That's one win. All right, so we have a channel on the USD CHF. We want to see what's happening here. All right, so it could create a potential opportunity if it comes to 927. Right, I'm seeing trend is getting kind of weak here, but I want to wait properly. Let's head over to USD CHF. I need to see some proper confirmations to enter for a short buy. Yeah, I want to see a proper confirmation there. to have any sort of diversions in the market to indicate a reversal. I don't have any patterns being formed right now. So I do have a triangle on the MT4 running on this particular pair right now. We are in some good profits, 30 pips and profits. All right, so triangle is basically based on breakouts, and we capitalizing on that particular opportunity there. So let me just see, wait a couple minutes for our next opportunity to arise. All right, let's see some stuff here. So we have one win. All right, our goal is to get 2 more wins, and we are out. Trend line, let me just check some stuff here. Perfect confirmation here. Wick, break and trend. All right, so we wait, guys. Patience is the name of the game. Have to be patient when it comes to trading. All right, so now USDCHF did reach to that area and respected. I didn't want to take that chance and go on just one confirmation. And it's melting. Yeah, a strong uptrend here. Because the dollar is strong, could be a retest here. Definitely strong momentum. If I get a touch, let me see. One deep push down again to 836, and I will take a buy on the USDCHF. Check something here. We have a support level here. Just taking a look at some stuff here. Oh, it could actually push down all the way to 7, 8, 9. So I don't want to take that chance. So I wouldn't take that trade again. That could push all the way down to 7, 8, 9. Creating some higher lows. So let's wait and see. Yeah, see how it's pushing down. It could go further than that. All right, it is coming to that area. If it touches 807, I'll take a buy. On 809, all right, good. That's the push we was looking for. So we take one buy there. All right, that's a real massive candle here. And broke the trend with that candle too. So it's still pushing down. All right, hopefully we should get a rejection here. At that level there, that is an important level there. All right, let's check something quickly here. Wow. Yeah, definitely. The dollar should push that up. We have one major support area there, right? So hopefully our 2 minutes should clear this particular idea here. Let's see, the candle is closing in 23 seconds. I would know if to roll it or not. This particular idea, we do have plenty confirmations, but we're going based on the strength of the currency, the dollar, they call it. Dollar is strong. All right, so it's pushing down. I'm going to do one roll. Let's see what's happening here. All right, it's starting to reject. Let's see what's happening here. That candle was a big push. The candle was about 11 pips. That's a pretty push, big push there. So let's wait and see what's happening here. We are looking for a rejection. Most likely it might come up to this area of, let me see, this area here. 825. We're looking at push to that area. It might create a temporary resistance area there. So hopefully we should clear it. The straight by then. That's 823. So it has some way to go up. So let's, all right, so we're getting that push 808. All right, you're looking at a rejection at 823. Hopefully it should stay around that area. And we're looking to clear that trade. So we are in profits right now. So let's wait and see. While that is happening, I'm looking for some other opportunities. And we had a nice opportunity here. But the same GBP USD. All right. I don't want to take back that again. We missed it. All right. So I'm seeing an opportunity presenting itself with Euro JPY. Looks really nice. Hopefully this candle should give us that confirmation. All right. We want to see our close below 598. So we are in some good profits for the USD CHF. All right, so we're gonna leave that there. And it's spiking down. It did reach the 823. It reached 814. So we are looking at a rejection somewhere around down here. I'm not gonna do anything with that trade. I'm gonna leave it. All right, so we're gonna leave that there. We're not gonna roll that trade again. Let me just take a quick look. That's USDCHF. Came back to retest that area. Let's say that push to the upside. It could push to the 810 area again. All right. Candles are closing just now. Euro JPY. Yeah, strong push to the upside. See what's happening here. USD CHF looks like it's gonna be a loss. All right, so you definitely, it looks like a loss there. So that is 1-1, right? That was a loss. It came to the 814, the 805, it basically retested there and it dropped. All right, so it is pushing up now. Maybe that second rule would have helped us out on our rejection area. That's okay, that's part of the market. How it moves. I really don't like how the markets are moving today. All right, so it did close above that zone as our next confirmation for a buy on that same USD CHF. But because of that red folder, it could go the opposite direction. All right, so let's see what's happening with the other pairs, the Euro JPY. I need to see a close below 1598. And then we can look to sell that Euro GBP. Great. And is pushing up. So yeah, guys, that two rule might work to clear that USD CHF because it is going up. It is respecting that point. So we don't wanna basically run on the market there. All right, so the Euro GBP, let's see what's happening with that pair there. Hopefully we should get a nice clear here. We need to see a candle close below 605. Once it closes there, we can take a temporary sell there. 605, we need that candle to close below. All right, so it is below this 605. We just need to stay there and close. And we will take a sell on Euro JPY. We have 2 minutes to see what's happening here. If you're interested in participating on the live trading sessions with me, guys, reach out to me on the link on WhatsApp there. We have 2 packages available right now, and it's affordable. All right, it is affordable. So we get some nice confirmation here. All right, so we are looking at the candle closing below 605. We will know in a minute and 20 seconds. Until it stays below 605. All right, so you can see you're getting some good push down there. This should be a nice trade. As I said, come back up to the 606 area. We needed to close below 605. Right. That's it. We have 42 seconds for this candle to close. All right, it's at 603. 34 seconds. So let's wait and see what's happening here. It is below 605 right now. All right, 5, 4. If we get a retest anyway, yeah, we will take that. All right, so candle did close below 605. We're doing 2 rolls. If the case be, and it is going down. All right, so let's wait and see what's happening here. Being extra careful today. See Euro GBP, GBP, USD. Yeah, all of a tough call. USD, CHF. I mean, if we get confirmation here, could go back in on that. So could come all the way down here. All right, so we are in deep profits with the Euro JPY. Super deep profits. This is what we're talking about, guys. This is the confirmation we have been waiting for. All right, so you can see these entries, guys. It's super sniper entries. And today's red folder. So, you know, how to be very careful how you enter in these markets today. All right, let me just check the strength of that. And Euro is strong. This definitely could be an opportunity for us to buy on this candle. So let me just check our support level here. We could get into that trade. We are looking at 457. If it comes down to 457, let me see if it's closing above or below 786. So it is in our zone right now. We will clear that. I'll look for a buying opportunity right here on the Euro JPY. All right, so we're gonna clear that there. Remember, the goal is to get 3 wins and we stop. So this will make it back to 1 win. All right, so we are at 1 win here. We have 2 more wins to get. All right, so if I get a push down to 457, actually came very close to that area. If it pushes back down, now see how close that really was, to 473 and below, we could take a buy there. That's a serious push. But this candle will close in a minute and 22 seconds. Yeah, that was a serious touch there, quick. 481. 478. All right, so if it comes back to that 477 or lower, if we get 473, we could take buy there. I don't feel I'll be coming back down there. That it looked like that move left already. Yeah, it's pulling all the way back up. Can I trap the market right there and get 2 wins right there? All right, so you're gonna be a little patient. Big wick rejection to the 786. If it closes above the 541 area, it could be a potential buying opportunity there. Had it close above 541. All right, look like candle. Where did the time go? All right, so this is a new candle. This candle closed below the zone, so we don't want to go in for that buy. It looks like it will be selling until that area of 23437 to 457. And let's take a quick look at it. All right, so the USD CHF is going down. All right, it is going down to some areas here. I just want to point out some levels here. Let's check something quick here. All right, so we have an area here. All right, it closed as a wick. All right, so the USD CHF, I will take a buy there. US dollar is still strong. Where's the USD CHF? Where? Right. It did reject, so I want to take a buy right here. Okay. Expecting that to be a wick rejection there. All right, so if it closes below 692, I will take a next buy there. All right. I'm definitely gonna do my 2 rolls with this trade. If it stays below 715, hopefully this is a wick rejection we are looking at. All right, so let me just do 1 row. Let me just see what's up here. All right, so this could be a wick rejection we are looking at here. See what's happening here before I do this roll. If it pushes down. All right, so 1 roll here. And it push back up. It's pushing all the way up now. All right. All right, so let's see what's happening here. It is in a zone right now. This candle will tell me exactly what's happening. Let's take a quick look at the EUR JPY. Yeah, EUR JPY definitely went down. If we get a touch to 473, let's create our loot here. I will take a buy here. It's coming down. So as you can see, the USD CHF is in some nice profits there, rejecting the wick. So one more, hopefully that should clear. And this Euro JPY, if we get a push down to the area of anywhere between 479 or below, we want to take a buy on that Euro JPY. So let's see what's happening here. Wow, that's a good place where it is right now. Check the currency strength on the euro. Not really that far apart. All right, it is coming down. So yeah, close below. All right, so let's see what's happening here. If we get our push down to the 479 area, wow, that was a serious rejection there. So it starts rejecting there. If it comes back to 490, wait, I'll take a buy there. One push down again to the 490, guys, and I'm going to take a buy on Euro JPY. And it's going up. This candle is a new candle. It could come back down. Once you get that 490 push, I will take that trade. 496, 495, and that's it there. I get 492. It could push all the way down to 474. But major rejection is happening there. Alright, so we should get that wick of the candle there. Watch out this entry, guys. This is what we're talking about. This is what you guys missing out on. Watch out that. That is a real sniper entry we are talking about there. Look at that. Perfect. I mean, if you want to learn this skill, guys, definitely reach out to me. You want to jump in one of these sessions with me. As you can see, this would be our second win. All right. And let's see what's happening with that Euro JPY. I may have to roll over that. Right. So let's look at that. Watch out that entry. Wow. Watch out that entry. All right, so we're going to clear that USD CHF. This will be our second win. All right, so we just have one more win again, and we are out of the markets. All right, so we are looking at a rejection area here. It is at a 50%. So it is at a rejection area. I am going to do my 2 rolls here. And it's pushing down to the area that I wanted. That's below the 470 area. So I just got an alert there. I'm gonna do my roll here. As my second roll. So we have 2 wins. All right. Looking for one more win. All right. So if it pushes down again, I will do a double up there. All right, so it's at the area to do a double up. I did do a double up there. That is a serious support area there. All right, so we got a massive push to the downside. Let me see how much pips that is. That's 15 pips to the downside. Right, so I did do a double up. This would be the last trade. It is at a good area for that double up. I reached a 236 zone area. All right, so this would be the last trade I'll be taking. I can see the yen has picked up some strength. So I don't want to over trade in any sense. All right, so we have some deep pushes taking place here. All right, it is reaching to a very strong area here. Right, it's 421. Gonna leave it at that. All right, so let's wait and see what's happening here. It is pushing down. The yen have some serious power right now. Right, so we do not want to over trade. If it is that this trade happens to lose, it would be a session that we break even, I should say. I am not going to place any more trades. That's how it is sometimes, guys. You just have to wait it out. You know, we did have 2 wins. We had a couple wins. The market, again, because it's the red folder today, we don't want to be over trading in any sense. It is at a rejection area right now. So let's see. The yen do have some strength, so it could be it could happen to be a loss. So if that happens, we definitely have to break even session today, and hopefully we should get into the next one tomorrow. All right. I mean, some people just take 2 wins, guys, and that's it. They come out. But you know, I try to stick to the rules as you take 3 wins for a session or 2 losses. I simply saw a great opportunity here for a double up, and you know that enables me to even have the trade at a break-even stage based on that push that I got there on that candle. So it push even lower, right? And that could happen. So there are 2 ways you could have done something here. You could have done a second entry with 2 rollovers, right? Rather than doing the double up. What happens is that the double up gives you a break even stage if it happens to come up to that area. All right, so I'm going to leave it at that. It looks like the market is going down. It is at a 0%. This could be a wick, or it could be creating a lower low. I will be definitely calling this a break-even session. All right, I can see some diversions happening here, but I'm definitely not going to do anything at this current stage. Right, we will have to take that loss. All right, and USD CHF went all the way up the road. That was the rejection I was talking about. All right, so we got a loss there. So I'm leaving it at that, guys. You know, that's how it is. Sometimes you come into the market with expectation to be all wins, but sometimes it does not be like that. Again, you want some more information, reach out to me and I'll get in contact with you. Have a great day.